Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to permanently delete your Snapchat account. For this we go over to Snapchat and then click on our Bitmoji until we land here. Then what you want to do is click on the settings button and then scroll all the way down until you see delete account under account actions. Then just click it and this pops up. Now what you want to do is enter your password and your username and then click on continue, and then this will pop up, delete account. Then if you really want to delete it, just type in your password again and then hit continue, and that will deactivate your account for 30 days. After these 30 days the account will completely be deleted. If you don't want to delete your account, just log in the 30 days. Okay, that was a little hack on how to permanently delete your Snapchat account. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.